Hey friends, who's hungry? Looking for Southern comfort and a little New Year's luck? Instant Pot Hoppin John, made with black-eyed peas, smoky pork, and rice, is an easy, cozy meal for any night. Pour 1 pound of dried black-eyed peas into an Instant Pot. Add 5 cups of chicken broth and season with 2 teaspoons of salt. Seal the Instant Pot and set it to manual. Then set the time to 0 minutes. Yes, you heard me right, 0 minutes. This is enough to soften the beans without soaking. Once the pressure from the beans is released, you do not need to drain the beans. Add 1 smoked ham hock, along with 1 diced onion, 1 diced green bell pepper, 1 stalk of diced celery, 2 cloves of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of Cajun seasoning, and 2 bay leaves. Stir everything together. To cook the rice, place a 3-inch tall trivet fitted with a foil sling into the pot over the black-eyed peas mixture. Set an oven-safe bowl on top of the trivet. Add 2 cups of rice to the oven-safe bowl. Then add 3½ cups of water or chicken stock. Season the rice with salt to taste. Replace the lid and seal the pot. Set the pot to manual pressure, then set the timer for 30 minutes. Once the pressure has released and you've removed the lid, carefully lift the oven-safe bowl and the trivet out of the pot and set aside. Remove the bowl of rice from the trivet and fluff the rice with a fork. Remove and discard the bay leaves from the peas. Remove the meat from the ham hocks and shred. Stir the meat back into the peas. Season the Hoppin John with additional salt if needed. Serve the Hoppin John over the hot cooked rice, garnished with chopped green onions, or sprinkle with hot sauce for additional heat. Looking for more recipes? Watch my next video and be sure to subscribe to my channel.